He's sunbathing. I think that's why they put the beak up. It's either that or to cool off. Because this is midday. Maybe he's too hot. This is episode 5, Hummingbird Watch. They're both in the nest looking great. Getting some nice colored juvenile feathers. Very nice. Yeah, they've had that nest up there for the longest time. And yeah, she probably dropped her eggs in there pretty quickly and they popped. Right on. I'll show you guys tomorrow what they're up to, but for today it's just chilling in the nest, waiting for Mom to get back.